So what's going on, guys? In the previous video, if you remember, I showed you how to add this Discord bot Groovy on your server and how to use it. But in this video, I will show you how to create a new roles on your server, Discord server. So here is how. Click on this arrow here next to your server's name here and open server settings. And then click on roles, and from here you can add a new roles, and from this button here, and you can name it how you want it. Let's say admin, and let's make it orange. I don't know, is it orange or green? Green, I mean red, I don't know. However, and from here also you can adjust what this role can do. Let's say this role can ban members, skip members, and manage nicknames, and also manage emojis. Save changes. Before save changes, let's enable this display role members, because this option is, I will show you what this option do. Alright, save. And now if you wanna put this role on someone, let's say our friend or our bot here, just right click on your friends and then move your mouse to roles, and as you can see, here's this new role that we create before a few seconds. Click on it, check of it, and it appears as a role. But it won't be appeared as a role if you didn't enable this option. You have to enable it, because if you don't, as you can see, it doesn't appear as a new role. Just when you click it, you can see it has this role, but not appears in this list. So that's how to add a new roles on your server. If I helped you out, if you have some questions and maybe some problems, just comment down below the video in the comments, and I will try to respond on your questions. Yeah, and yeah, give a like, and see you next video. Bye.